Hi.
Dance.
Hi, bird.
Dance.
Hello.
She's trying to figure that out.
You see? Look it. It's no.
Oh, that's no.
Yeah. I'm no.
Awesome.
You dancing?
Cheese!
Cheese!
Come here. Come here. I gotta take my shoes off. Why do I have to take my shoes off? Here, get your pretty.
You kids are being silly. Avery, want to do Ring Around the Rosie with Bird?
Uh-oh.
They all fall down.
She's so bouncy.
My turn.
Can Cheech have a turn? Let Cheech have a turn. Good girl. See, that's how you share. Good girl.
Wait, your turn.
Your turn.
Your turn, Bird.
She gets some air.
My turn.
Cheech's turn. Go, say go, Cheech. Go, Cheech. Ouch. Why do you gotta keep taking those out? Come here. I know. Why do you don't like your pretties?
Are you
There.
dance?
Yay!
Avery, you let Birdie have a turn too, okay? Good girl.
Say thanks, Cheech. Careful by the brick, Abe.
Avery, away from the brick. Thank you.
Those little legs move so fast. Did you bite? Come here. Come here. She's going it. What the heck did you give her? A hot dog.
Oh, look at this.
And some peaches.
It's the end. Get ready.
You ready?
Rock out. Shake your head.
Watch.
Head bang.
Cheech. Bird, look at Cheech.
Head bang, Cheech.
Shake it.
Yeah.
You know what? It's almost books
Don't
time.
break that. Nice. Thank you. You know what, Bird? We gotta go on.
Yay!